How to start trading in 2025. Explained for absolute beginners in under 6 minutes. Let's go. 1. What is trading? Trading is simply buying and selling financial instruments like currencies, company shares, digital coins, or commodities with the goal of making a profit. If you buy low and sell high, you earn money. The opposite also works. Sell high and buy low, which is called short selling. Unlike investing, which is a long-term strategy, trading is short-term and requires more attention, skill, and strategy. 2. Choose your market. You don't have to learn everything at once. Pick one market to focus on when starting. These are the most popular ones. Forex, which stands for foreign exchange, involves trading currencies like the USD, JPY, or the EUR, USD. Stock market, which involves trading company shares like Apple, Tesla, etc. Crypto, which involves trading digital coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins. High risk, high reward. And commodities, which involves trading goods like gold, silver, and oil. Beginners often start with Forex because of its high liquidity and 24/5 market hours. 3. Open a demo account. Before you trade real money, open a demo account. It's like a trading simulator. You'll get virtual money to practice real trades without any financial risk. Here are some tools you can use. MetaTrader 4 or 5 for Forex, TradingView for chart analysis, and crypto exchanges like Binance have a demo mode too. Learn to use them first before risking your own cash. 4. Learn the basics. Understanding the market language is key. Learn what candlestick charts show price movement. Green means up, red means down. Support and resistance are price levels where the market reverses. Indicators are tools like RSI, moving average, MACD, etc. And also learn about market trends. Is price moving up, down, or sideways? There are plenty of free resources online to learn these. YouTube, Udemy, or even my own Profit Hunters videos. 5. Use a simple strategy. A trading strategy is like a plan. It tells you when to enter a trade, when to exit, and how to manage risk. Start with one strategy, like the breakout strategy, where you enter when price breaks key levels, or the trend following strategy, where you trade in the direction of the trend, or the support resistance reversal strategy, where you buy low and sell high. Stick to one strategy and test it for at least 50 trades before changing. 6. Risk management. This is the most important rule. Don't lose big money. Use a stop loss, which automatically closes the trade if it goes against you. Set a take profit, which locks in profit when the market moves in your favor. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total capital on a single trade. If you're not using a stop loss, you shouldn't be trading. 7. Start real trading but small. Once you're consistently profitable on a demo account, it's time to go live. But start with a small amount like $50 to $100 and use micro lot sizes. Focus on your discipline and following your strategy. 8. Control your emotions. Psychology is 80% of trading. Avoid overtrading, revenge trading, fear of missing out, and greed. Stay calm. Be consistent. Accept losses as part of the game. Here are some bonus tips for the 2025 trader. Use AI tools to backtest strategies faster. Follow economic calendars. News events can move the markets. Keep a trade journal to analyze your progress. And finally, join legit communities. Avoid fake signal groups. In conclusion, trading in 2025 is more accessible than ever with AI tools, free education, and mobile apps. But success still comes from education, discipline, risk management, and practice. So start small, think long-term, and trade smart, not fast. See you tomorrow.